Hi, my name's Robert Steltman. Today I'm going to show you a tool that will help us generate earthwork volumes having areas each with its own topsoil depth and construction depth. Currently I have 3 surfaces: original ground, proposed, and a strip surface that we created with our borehole routine. I'm going to many areas, subsite manager, and with this tool we can relate each polyline with a different topsoil depth and a different pre-grade depth. Then in many areas I'm going to select volumes from surfaces and subsites Prismodial. We're going to select our original ground, our design surface. We're going to have it draft a table in the drawing. We're going to tell it to create a differential cut-fill surface called many areas. We're going to use our existing strip surface that we created. We're going to create a pre-grade surface, which will be the design surface subtracting the pre-grade depths to create a pre-grade surface. Also we're going to use engineer fill, and this is where the difference between the strip and the pre-grade exceeds this amount, and that volume will be calculated. We're also going to select our overall parcel, and this will use default values of 0.3 and a pre-grade depth of 0. And so whatever isn't inside the individual parcels but is inside this overall parcel, it will use these default values. We're going to select our polyline, and it's generated a report for us showing us for each area the cut, fill, what values we used, and if there was engineer fill, and totals them all. It's generated a label in each subsite showing us the values we used and the cuts and fills. And it's also created all our different surfaces. So we're going to go into our differential cut-fill surface, and we're going to tell it we want elevation banding. And from there we will be able to see where our cut fills are. We could also generate contours. Just another example of how Steltman software makes you more productive inside Civil 3D.